Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing the Saeco Incanto Deluxe. Wow, it took us a long time to repair this machine. Took a really long time to get the part. Parts just aren't available for these sorts of machines like they used to be. But we got it working. We had to make a modification, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But first, a joke. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. Okay, that's an old one. So, go ahead and press. Making a nice shot of espresso. Good crema. And then in order to do the steam, I installed this button. You press the button. You can see it says steam up here. And then you open the valve. You get nice strong steam. So to turn it off, you just turn off the valve and then the switch. And you know that the switch is turned off when it no longer says steam on the display. And if you want to, if you need to prime the pump with the ventilate air, because this machine, it says ventilate a lot, you press the hot water button, and then again you press the button on the side. Just steam, so it'll take a minute. And there we go, hot water, and then we turn off the switch, hot water goes away, and hey,
how are you?
Good, how are you?
It's another day in paradise.
That's right, you can just set it down.
Yeah, not much room over
And
here.
that's a video, so thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee.